Hi everyone, this is Alex here. So today I'm going to cover some basic information about the errors that we see in the Excel. So instead of going through here, I'll show you the example here. So there are times we see this hash 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 hash. One of the reason is insufficient space. So you can just drag. Instead of drag, you can just point to the column border and double click. Okay. Point to the column border here, double click, it will auto fit. Okay, why this is still showing hash? Because this is a negative date. So there's some negative number put on the date. So actually for date, what is the date in Excel? It's actually the number of days from 1st January 1900. So to test this out, just key in number 1 and converts this number 1 into a date format. So you will see, so this is the 1st January. So if we are 31st, so it's 31st January 1900. So for current date is actually, let me just delete the negative. So this is showing the date for 15 December 3083. So what is the current date now? So when I type now and convert it to number is 43941. 43941 means 43,941 days from 1st January. So that is today's date, 20th April 2020. So remember, the date in Excel is actually number of days. So when you have insufficient space for long date, you also show H. The next one is formula with wrong argument, text instead of number. For example, this is 987 divided by F5. So let me unhide F5. So in this number, you are dividing to a text, alphabet instead of number. So to rectify this, you just need to change this alphabet to number. So that's it. So you will rectify this error by changing the alphabet to number. Next one, name. What is name? In your formula is referring to something divided by units, but Excel cannot recognize this name units. So where to find this name referring to? So in the formula here, we can find this icon is name manager. So here have all the names we identified. So for number 6 here, the name is unit without S. So we need to change this to unit. See? So you get your formula corrected. The next one is the reference. So this one normally is you have accidentally deleted the linkage of this formula. So if you know, you need to identify back where is the source of this formula. Once you identify the source, the formula can be corrected. This one is the easiest one. Somehow you have divided the number with 0. That's why it's called divide 0. So there's not infinity if you divide to 0. So these are the common errors. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.